I'm Jay.
I'm Ben.
And I'm Lachlan.
And we're 3/5 of the Rice Harvesters. That was good, I like that.
Yeah, that was a good little start. We decided to form the greatest indie alternative folk garage rock cover band in the history of Year 10 2012 Skaz. We're much better than the Spice Harvesters.
Well, the Rice Harvesters, we came about when, what was it? We were in English.
No, I think it was maths.
It was English.
Oh.
And we were looking up pictures of rice harvesters, as you do.
You know, boring English lessons. Sometimes Miss Watts, just, you gotta look up rice harvesters to keep your day going.
Yeah, you know, that's what we did.
Yeah.
And so Lachlan was like, hey, yeah, let's have a joke band. Turns out Ben's actually a good musician, so, you know,
We were like,
we
why
wanted to
not?
support him.
Let's play a few songs. Ben's like talented.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is
Now
where
we
our
got
first
Tom.
performance comes in. Oh yeah, and Tom and Ryan are also in the band, but they're not here because they don't like us.
Hence the
Yeah.
3/5.
Yeah.
Well, our first performance was at Columba Day on the last day of term 2, and we played Seven Nation Army.
You don't
and
understand.
yeah, and You Don't Understand Me. It was our debut performance. It was quite memorable. Jake's drum kit fell apart halfway through the performance,
Yeah.
but since we've become pretty good, and that hasn't happened since then.
Let's
Yeah.
Port Formal 2012. It's
Yeah.
happening.
Well,
We're looking forward to it.
It's on the same day as this formal.
Oh, that's awkward. Now that's on tape. This is going to be played at the formal.
Yeah, I know. That's
If
what
we
I
don't
said.
turn up.
It's been changed dates. I thought.
Hey, don't press that button. Don't press it.
We're still talking.
going.
Do not stop this.
Alright.
And yeah, we had a gig at Marley's party the other day. That went kind of off, you know. A nice
Yeah.
13 songs. It was well rounded.
They love us.
Ben's like melodic vocal skills just soothed the whole audience. Let It Be was one of the favourites, and Scar and She's So High. But anyway, that's the Rice Harvesters. It'd be good if Tom and Ryan were here, but we're getting good.
Thanks.
They suck.
And I was like, baby, 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 oh.